Good morning. Welcome to 2022. Vincent here with Seacoast Harley-Davidson. We're excited to tell you we just got a truck of brand new motorcycles in, and this is a new color. For 2022, they brought back the Gunship Gray. So if you were a big fan of this color and didn't happen to get one, they are now shipping the new bikes, and this is one of the colors. This is a special. I love the way they redesigned the tank here. If you're familiar with the earlier design, it had the click top. I think this tank design looks better, and from a functional standpoint, I like the way that you can fill up closer to the side of the bike instead of the center. Also, this bike has got the 114 motor. It's got the stretched bags. It has the upgraded electronics package, which, if you've watched my previous videos, is a big improvement over the previous style. And it also has the RDRS features. These features include traction control, hill hold assist, tire pressure monitoring, and some advanced corner braking and acceleration features. So with this bike, you have the safest features available on a motorcycle. You have world-class brakes from Brembo. You have really good suspension from Showa, both in the front and the back. And of course, with the 114 Milwaukee motor, you have a tremendous amount of power at will. So we call it roll-on power, but if you'd like to know more about this bike, please come down and see me. My name is Vincent, and I look forward to talking to you real soon. And hey, Happy New Year.